In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts in Microsoft Forms. Let's get started by opening Microsoft Forms in your browser and signing in with your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard, which is where all your existing forms live and where you can create new ones. From the Forms homepage, click New Form to begin building a fresh form from scratch. Now we'll add some sample text so we have something to style. Click the form title field at the top of the blank form to activate it. Once it's selected, type the title for your survey, which is Customer Feedback Survey. Take your time entering that exactly as written so it appears clearly at the top of the form. Next, click the description field directly under the title. In this area, type a short description that reads, "Please answer based on your most recent visit." We use these answers to plan service improvements. This gives respondents a bit of context before they start filling things out. Now click Add New under the form description to insert your first question. From the question type row that appears, click Text so the question accepts a written response. Click the question title field to activate it, and then type the feedback question, which is, "What should we improve next quarter?" Enter that prompt carefully so it reads naturally to your respondents. Now we'll move on to changing the title text style. Highlight the words Customer Feedback inside the form title by clicking and dragging across them. A floating formatting toolbar will appear right above the selection. Click bold in that floating toolbar to make those words stand out. Then click Font Size in the same toolbar to open the size options. And from the menu, click Large, so the highlighted words become bigger and more prominent. Next, we'll change the description and question text style. Highlight the words most recent visit inside the description by dragging your cursor across them. With those words selected, click Italic in the floating formatting toolbar to slant the text. After that, click Font Color in the same toolbar to open the color menu, and click a dark blue color swatch so the phrase takes on a noticeable accent color. Now move down to the question you typed earlier and highlight the word Improve. With it selected, click Underline in the floating formatting toolbar so the word gets aligned beneath it. Then click Font Size in the same toolbar again, and from the Size menu, click Large to make that word bigger as well. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now let's preview the styled form to see how everything looks. Click Preview in the top right area of the form editor. Take a moment to check that the title, the description, and the question all show the styles you just applied. You should see a larger bold portion in the title, an italic blue phrase in the description, and a larger underlined word inside the question. Once you've reviewed it, click back in the preview page to return to the form editor. The form preview shows a larger bold title, italic blue description text, and a larger underlined word in the question. The style changes are applied to the selected text and save automatically with the form, so you don't need to worry about pressing a save button. Additionally, you can change the overall theme around your text to give the whole form a fresh look. Click Style in the top right area of the form editor to open the Styles pane on the right side of the screen. From there, click a theme tile inside the Styles pane to apply it to your form instantly. If you want to explore more colors or background options, scroll down in the Styles pane to reveal additional choices and pick the one that fits your form best. And that's it. Congratulations! You've successfully changed the fonts and styled the text in Microsoft Forms using the built-in formatting toolbar and theme controls.